Hi, this is Mike Cunningham, Retreat Center Director at Mater Dolorosa. Just want to provide you a brief update on our food ministry activities here. With your help, we've made great progress over the past 9 months. We've prepared more than 38,000 meals, and through the work with our food ministry partners, have been able to deliver them to those in need in our communities. Since the COVID-19 pandemic has taken hold, many groups who are on the edge of not making it have become even more vulnerable. Our goal with the ministry was to respond to this need in a practical way, and it has been a blessing for us to be able to do so. However, none of us, can do this alone. This month sees the launch of our Cooking with Passion promotion, one where you can become a part of the program and you can start to taste some of the recipes which the talent here at Mater Dolorosa have created. Most importantly, you will be able to help feed those that are in need at this very important time. We thank you again for your support of this critical ministry. The need, unfortunately, is increasing, so your help is vital and greatly appreciated. Have a blessed Thanksgiving, and may you all stay well and safe. God bless you all, and may the passion of Jesus Christ remain always in our hearts. Since COVID-19 struck the Southern California region, we've been looking for ways that we might reach out and help communities in need. In addition to a broader outreach of spiritual nourishment through online programs and broadcasts, there was a more immediate need to serve. While our doors were closed for some time due to the pandemic, those behind it were kept very busy. Local communities around us were in need. Food delivery services to seniors and the vulnerable in our regions were compromised. Thankfully, through the willingness and generosity of donors such as yourselves, Mater Dolorosa repurposed our kitchen facilities to begin to prepare meals for those in need. What started as a small enterprise in March of a few dozen meals in those early weeks quickly mushroomed, excuse the pun here, into a huge activity of thousands of meals per month. With the generous support of corporate and individual donors, and in particular a sustaining grant from the Cacique Foundation, we've been able to keep this ministry going as the need has not abated. The St. Francis Center in Los Angeles, Foothill Kitchens at Lario Park, and the town of Sierra Madre mobilize scores of volunteers each month to distribute our pre-cooked food. I also have to make a special thanks to the willingness of our kitchen staff, who, during a large part of this pandemic, sequestered themselves in the retreat center to ensure the integrity and safety of the communities here at a significant cost of separation from their families during this time. To say thank you for the gifts we've been able to prepare and give to those in need over this time would be a great understatement. We're so blessed to be able to do something helpful, but this is only possible by the tremendous generosity and selflessness of you all. I'll say no more on the topic. Safe to say, God bless you, and may the passion of Jesus Christ be always in our hearts.
Hi, my name is Lauren Hines. I'm a recreation film coordinator for the city of Sierra Madre. I work out of the Hart Park House Senior Center, which is located directly behind me. Due to the current situation, we have had to halt all of our ongoing daily programming, which includes our daily meal service provided by the YWCA Intervale Lunch Program. Unfortunately, as a result of halting everything, we had many seniors who were going to go without food. Mater Dolorosa was able to reach out to the City of Sierra Madre Police Department, and a collaboration was formed. Through this collaboration, we're able to provide meals to about 50 people a week, with 200 to 250 people in total registered for the program. These participants have been so overwhelmed and so grateful as they are able to receive meals when they may not have otherwise been able to do so. So we really have been incredibly honored and appreciative of this program the collaboration, and we look forward to continued partnership. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Carol Daly. I'm one of the co-founders of Foothills Kitchen. We've been operating out of the United Methodist Church in Monrovia in the basement, serving meals every Saturday for the past 6 years. About a year after we were operating, we became aware of the fact that there were many of our neighbors out in the Lario riverbed that were existing and depending upon people for meals. And so we started taking sandwiches over initially. We have 14 different teams that have committed themselves to coming out to the riverbed every day, and they've been paying out of their own pockets the meals that they've been providing. When COVID hit, some of the teams, because they're elderly, they weren't able to continue doing this, as well as food became scarce. About that time, we met Michael Cunningham from Mater Dolorosa Retreat Center, and he said that they had received a large donation from Cacique Cheese, and that they wanted to be able to feed the hungry. And so they started a food ministry, and that here we were asking for food. And so since that time, the retreat center has been preparing 120 to 150 different meals every single day out here at the riverbed. And it's wonderful because, these are people that don't have anything. They've lost their jobs, they've lost their homes, and they've lost their food source. And so what happens is we go to the monastery twice a week, and we pick up the frozen meals that Ricardo has prepared with his staff, and then the teams will take it home, and then on their particular day when they're preparing the food, then they'll come back and then they'll have it prepared and put it into styrofoam dishes. None of them are sitting on the table right now, but they'll be prepared and put on the dishes, and then people will be able to come and help themselves to the meals. So we are very grateful for the blessing of Mater Dolorosa helping us, because without them, so many people would go without food. And as COVID is striking, and so many people will be losing their homes because they can't afford rents, we expect our numbers to grow, and so we're hopeful that that we'll be able to continue this relationship with Mater Dolorosa, that they'll be able to continue to support us. Thank you so much.